Hi guys, good day. Nagbabalik na naman ako. Tapos, ito pala guys, lulutuin natin ito. Same brand but this time it's Dutch apple pie. So, yan, napreheat ko na yung oven and then lulutuin na natin siya 60 to 65 minutes. So, ayan na siya guys. Diba? So, isat na natin ang ating oven. Bake 400 to cook time. And start. Yan. It's cooking. Guys, after 1 hour and 5 minutes and additional 10 minutes, ayan na, luto na ang ating Dutch